I was like, damn. Man, shut the fuck up, man. Step on the crack, you breaking mama's back. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit, what the fuck? Yes. Yes. Oh my god, holy shit. Oh my god, yes. Yes. Fuck. Bitch. Give me that meat.